some people lose their faith and hope. How can we restore our faith in our true essence, being good, while we see so many people harming each other as well as themselves? What is faith? Faith is that you are certain, you are clear that something is trustworthy. You know, like if you have faith in a person, that means you have decided that this person is trustworthy, he or she is good, and I can rely on that person. Or if you say, I have faith in a teaching or something like that, then I mean that I know that this teaching is useful, is good, is benevolent if I use it. So therefore, faith is based on a kind of an understanding or a decision in me that this is good, or this is right, or this is. But we can have faith in a wrong thing also. We can be misguided. So therefore, the understanding from Buddhist point of view is that it's not good if we have faith in something that is not worthy of our faith, whether it's a person, people, teaching, religion, whatever. So therefore, we need to study, we need to reflect, we need to investigate. From that point of view, in Buddhism, yes, we need to first learn, listen. We need to see what exactly, like if it's a teaching, or what it is, or if a person, what is this? So we have to understand, we have to fully understand, and then we have to investigate, we have to ask questions. So therefore, if somebody asks you that you have to have faith, you cannot ask questions, you cannot doubt, I think that's not good, that's not right. Doubt is the beginning of asking questions and investigation. Doubt is good, because from there we start to investigate, we start to ask questions. And from that, then we go deeper, we say questions, and the more we ask questions, the more we investigate, then if it is something really trustworthy and worthy of our faith, then it becomes clear. And when it becomes clearer and clearer, and then we are absolutely certain about something, then that faith cannot change. So we need to have this kind of a faith, so therefore we need to reflect, we need to, just because somebody says something, we lose faith. Because somebody does something, we lose faith. Or, because of certain things that people say, we lose faith. This is because we didn't, right from the beginning, investigate much. So our faith is very flimsy, very, it's not faith actually, it's just blind faith. So if you have blind faith, then this faith can be shaken very easily. So therefore, we should not have blind faith. We should have faith based on investigation, based on certainty, based on, understanding. So therefore, I think whether we can talk about restoring faith or we can talk about developing faith, I think we have to try to see things clearly, understand, ask questions, investigate, and examine. And something that comes out of this examination, asking questions, investigation, then that faith can become, a true faith. So whether, I have a possibility to, I can be good, I can be bad, I can do good and bad. That's based on my decision. I can do lots of bad things also, I can do lots of good things also. There is nothing that I'm good or I'm bad right from the beginning, or, so therefore, when I know that it's not that I am good, I'm bad, I can do good things, I can do bad things, and that depends on my decision, and that decision is based on what is good and useful. Do I want to do something good and useful to myself, beneficial to myself and others, or I want to do something that's not good and not beneficial, it's bringing so much pain, problem, difficulties for me or others. What is that? Whether I like that, good things or bad things, where I like creating pain and problem and difficulties for all of us, or more positive things, helpful things, beneficial things, then I know whether I'm basically good or bad. Thank you.